Hello and thanks for watching. I'm Sarah Platt. Today I'd like to introduce you to a unique and patented product that will be hitting the market soon. It's called the Focus Brite Magnifier. From folks with vision problems to use in a doctor's office to a factory production line, even for regular magnifier use in your own home, there are countless ways to use the Focus Brite technology. Hi Steve, tell us how the Focus Brite technology stands out from other magnifying devices.
Simply put, it helps people see more clearly as compared to a regular magnifier in every way. Our Focus Brite magnifier has microprocessors with sensors which are programmed to make the light brighten when the device is in its best focus. Like this. See how the lights are a little dim and they brighten up when it's in its perfect focal length. If you get too close, it dims again. It tells you when it's in its perfect focus. Additionally, the lens is surrounded by bright LED lights which are correctly angled to illuminate the target at the perfect distance. See how bright this magnifier is? This is a regular illuminated magnifier here, and you can see it's much dimmer. Our Focus Brite technology isn't just for use in hand magnifiers. Others use the Focus Brite technology in visor form, like this. Because the light gets bright when it's in its best focus, doctors, for instance, like it because it tells them that they have seen the wound or incision in the best focus possible. This hands-free Focus Brite visor is also great for work or repairs at home.
So what's interesting, Steve, is these aren't just for people with low vision or vision problems. It's for the everyday person.
I counted this morning and I have 5 hand magnifiers in my house, and my vision with glasses is 20/20. Some things like phone books and prescription bottles are just too small to read, even if your vision is normal. Many people ask, how could the Focus Brite magnifier know how strong my glasses are and where I like to hold things? The answer is simple. A magnifier is able to make things bigger and clearer based on the distance the magnifier is from the object. It has nothing to do with the person's glasses prescription or physical size. That being said, for low vision or partially sighted people, we can customize the Focus Brite magnifier just for them.
This is Dr. Jeff Blanco. He's been an eye doctor for 30 years and specializes in low vision. That is, patients who have lost their vision as a result of various diseases.
When vision loss occurs, one of the first ways to maximize the person's existing vision is to simply make things larger. This can be achieved with non-optical aids like big button phones like this here, or large remotes like so. But typically, patients resort to simple hand magnifiers like this. The problem we see with patients in hand magnifiers is that they spend too much time concentrating on moving the magnifier back and forth trying to get the print clear instead of actually concentrating on what they're trying to read.
Right now I'm standing outside of one of the busiest plastic surgeon's offices in the Midwest, Dr. Frank Maddow. We're going to go inside and see him examining a patient with the Focus Brite visor.
One of the very nice things about being able to use this lighted magnifier is that the light actually comes on as the magnifier comes into focus, so that in the little shadowed and hidden areas of the face, it makes sure that I've got the best light and the best focus while we're evaluating the lesions. I'm going to turn your face just a tiny bit, and there we go, nice and bright, and we can make sure that everything is exactly as it should be, because we want to make sure that you stay healthy. You've just witnessed what was a very typical examination for lesions on a young lady's arm and face, and we use magnification for this frequently. This is the type of magnifier that we frequently would use previously, and it was okay, it did its job. It was hard to always tell when you were precisely in focus, and it didn't have its own light source. So in exam rooms, away from intensity lights, it was difficult to get the kind of view we wanted.
Aside from medical use, the Focus Brite technology is also something that can be used for simple tasks at home, like reading a map or even a menu in a dark restaurant. Meantime, there are also several uses for it in the industrial field as well. Here's a demonstration of how the stand version of the Focus Brite technology works. It's good for factory parts inspection, quality control, and other uses. And according to a quick fact check on Wikipedia.com, 161 million people are visually impaired worldwide. The cost of the Focus Brite magnifier will likely only run about $20 more than your average magnifying device. Not bad when you consider all the benefits. I hope this program helps shed some light on all the potential the Focus Brite holds. For the Focus Brite Technology, I'm Sarah Platt.